Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to mute notifications for the announcement group in your WhatsApp community. This is perfect for those times when you want to stay connected but need a break from constant alerts. Let's dive right in with this updated guide. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in WhatsApp, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Communities. This is where all your WhatsApp communities live. Go ahead and tap on that tab. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're a part of. Find the one that contains the announcement group you want to mute. Tap on it to open that community. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of tapping on the announcement group, we're going to use a little shortcut. Long press on the announcement group. This means touch and hold your finger on it for a second or two. A menu will pop up with several options. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Mute Notifications. Tap on that. WhatsApp will then ask you how long you want to mute this group for. You'll see options like 8 hours or 1 week, but we're going for the long haul here. Select Always. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully muted the announcement group in your WhatsApp community. You'll still be able to access the group and read messages whenever you want, but you won't be bothered by constant notifications. This feature is especially useful for large communities where the announcement group can get pretty active. It allows you to stay in the loop without being overwhelmed by notifications. Remember, you can always unmute the group later if you change your mind. Just follow the same steps and select Unmute instead. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.